have to do all these chores for us, awful. We're just working so hard. Yes. Yes. Say, Mama, is that good enough?
Yeah.
Smile, Zuzu.
I guess.
Say, Mommy. Please say, I'm 5 weeks. I'm 5 weeks.
Are you 5 weeks old, Carter?
I'm a big
Are you
boy.
5 weeks old?
Yes, these are little Carter kids. Okay. I'll shut off for a minute.
Oh, that light's a lot better.
What light?
Over there by you. That
Let
one.
me get over here a minute.
This one over here looks yellow.
There, yeah, that one, because it comes down from the ceiling.
Yeah.
Say
Hi, pretty boy.
Say hi, Mommy.
Say,
Say
I'm
hi.
5 weeks old
5
today.
weeks old today.
Well, 5 weeks old last Monday. Today's
yes,
Thursday.
See how big I am and all my hair?
Oh, look at you. Oh, poor Bubba.
Oh. Say they making me vacuum with Granny to get a bottle. They're working
Oh,
so
baby,
hard.
I'm so sorry.
Oh. Oh no. Say Grandma did your chores for you. So you don't have to. Granny doing them chores for this baby. Tell me all about it, Froggy.
Oh, okay.
Say that's enough.
All right, we'll be done.